morning, Mr. Enes. You are also this platform, Day Rise Media. Please, we want to ask you this important question, and of course, as a political analyst, do you foresee Obi joining PDP 2027, given the present calculation, especially revelations coming from the north, that Tinubu is going to do only one term because he has failed, and they are looking for a southerner to complete Tinubu's second term, and all the whole fingers are pointing towards Obi to go to PDP, while PDP have continued to lose members. Recently, a former governor of Imo State, talking about Emeka Ihedioha, has moved to Labour Party after a brief meeting with Alex Oti. What is your response to that?
Well, first and foremost, it's not time to begin to talk about who will be the next president or not. There are still the Tinubu administration have not, it's just barely a year, it's very close to barely a year. Before we can really say that Tinubu administration has failed totally, it's when we get to 2 years. And we now begin to ask ourselves questions. All this manifesto he has highlighted, all these things he has put down, everything he has put down, how has he been able to achieve them? Then in the case of Peter Obi should calm down. Why I say he should calm down? He shouldn't allow people to push him. Politics is all about calculation. Politics is about people that have the people. The northerners that are shouting Obi today, when it comes to their turn, they will turn their back against him. Peter Obi should calm down. Look at what is going on. And meanwhile, I want to tell you, the person in power is someone that hardly will release power. He has gotten there, he knows all the machineries he's going to use. And I want to say PDP, well, PDP is going through a transformation process. PDP is going through a reformation process. That sooner or later, before the 2027, they will be able to get themselves together and be able to bring a formidable candidate. In PDP, the relevancy of Wike, the relevancy of Atiku, let's wait till then. Because the only thing that is certain, that is not certain, is change. Change can come anytime. You understand? And I want to look at it from this angle. Peter Obi should just be contributing his quota. If God has destined that he will be the next president in 2027, nobody can stop it. Nobody can stop it now. And I want to say this with my own humble perspective. It is too late for us to judge this government. We still have 3.5 years more. That's my own humble take, sir.
Okay, what are your advice to Nigerians now? We have seen the Q return. The Naira has continued to depreciate, and of course, Nigerians has continued, to toe the line of suffering and smiling on daily basis under the watchful eye of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who a lot of people believe he is a progressive. He has the intelligence, but Nigerians are saying we are still yet to see anything or indices pointing towards a better economy under Tinubu's watch.
Let me give you a picture. This government is a government of propaganda. Let me just be realistic. They came in, fuel was 700 naira. Fuel was 700 naira. The things and dollar was 700 naira. It skyrocketed to 19, and the thing started coming down. They know how the thing went, and it started coming down, and they are clapping for themselves. And I want to say this. let us call a spade a spade. This government is not doing anything. It's not doing anything. That's the simple and short term. This government knows the problem. They know how to solve the problem. They brought the problem. Now the thing is going up again. So they know the problem. We shouldn't praise them. It's what they cause. So that's my own humble take.